Home remedies for urinary tract infection. How to cure urinary tract infection without antibiotics or toxic chemicals. Welcome to Natural Healing Guides. On this channel, we provide effective natural treatment methods for major diseases and ailment. If you have not subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button below. In this video, you will learn common symptoms of urinary tract infection, prevention methods and 16 effective home remedies. The urinary tract infection, UTI, medically known as cystitis, is an inflammation of the bladder mostly caused by bacterial infection. This infection is mostly common in women and they are mostly treated with antibiotics, though some bacteria have become antibiotic resistant. This infection can generate into a serious problem if left untreated and allowed to spread into the kidneys. Symptoms of UTI. Are you concerned you could be having a UTI? Well then, the presence of the following signs may take you a step closer to getting clarity. Most symptoms of UTI are noticed during urination. These symptoms differ depending on how severe the infection is. Some of them are: burning sensation during urination, frequent urination, more frequent than normal when excessive amount of water was not consumed, cloudy or bloody urine, cramps in the lower abdomen or back. How to get rid of a UTI infection fast. Using antibiotics to treat UTIs has made some bacteria causing the infection to become antibiotic resistant. However, natural remedies will clear out the bacteria, leaving you with little or no risk of developing the infection again. The following are ways in which UTI bladder infection can be treated using natural ingredients around us. These remedies have been scientifically proven to be safe and they have worked for many people. 1. Stay hydrated. Research has found this method to be very effective. This is because drinking plenty water helps in detoxifying our bodies. During this process, harmful chemicals and bacteria are flushed out of the body. It is advised that enough water should be taken so that these disease-causing bacteria can be flushed out. 2. Step up your personal hygiene. To successfully fight this infection, it is important to stay clean and dry. This is because most bacteria can only grow in moist environments, so depriving them of this will only kill them. It is advised that ladies wipe from front to back so that this bacteria will not be able to make their way into the urethra. Wearing cotton or cotton-crotched underwear will help achieve this dryness. 3. Don't delay the urine. When nature calls, answer immediately or within the shortest possible time. With this, the bacteria causing the infection will be unable to stay and grow inside the bladder. Urinating immediately after a sexual intercourse is also advised, as this will help wash away the bacteria that may have entered the urethra during the process. 4. Using garlic. Garlic has great antimicrobial properties because of the presence of allicin, one of the most active ingredients in fresh garlic. When the garlic is fresh and pure, the allicin has the power to destroy a whole lot of bacteria, even those that are resistant to drugs. How to use garlic to treat UTI. Step 1. Make a cup of garlic tea by mashing 2 cloves of garlic and adding 8 ounces of hot water. Allow the tea to steep for 5 minutes before consuming. Drink 3 cups per day until symptoms disappear. Step 2. Add raw garlic liberally to salad dressings and other foods. Eating raw garlic is the best way to get its antibacterial properties. You can make dips with fresh garlic and you can spread fresh garlic on toast. Step 3. Take a garlic shot 1 to 3 times per day. Mash up 2 cloves of garlic and put it on a spoon. Add a few drops of olive oil, which will help protect the stomach, and swallow the spoonful without chewing. 5. Clove capsules. Clove has been proven through research to be able to carry out antimicrobial, antifungal and antiviral activity. With this, the unwanted microbes in the urinary tract cannot be spared. Taking cloves capsule continually for 2 weeks can help in the treatment of UTI. 6. Blueberries. Blueberries have bacteria-inhibiting properties that can help in the treatment of UTIs. The antioxidants present in blueberries are good for the immune system, and they prevent growth of bacteria that causes UTIs. You can add some fresh blueberries to your favorite cereal and have it for breakfast. You can also make fresh blueberry juice and have it daily, in the morning and at night, for quick results. Do not add any artificial sweetener to the juice. Including fresh blueberries or juice in your daily diet is a good way to prevent UTIs. 7. Vitamin C. This vitamin is very potent in scavenging free radicals that cause disease in the body. The presence of this acid in the body increases the acidity of the urine, thereby stopping the growth of E. coli, the most common bacteria that cause UTI, and boosting the immune system. Taking vitamin C at 1000 mg dose per day continually for 3 months can give relief for UTI. Stop taking it if you experience an upset stomach or loose bowel movements. If you suffer from frequent UTIs, taking 1000 mg of vitamin C per day has been shown to be effective at preventing recurring infections. 8. Uva ursi. This herb contains a number of substances that help fight infections, including UTIs. Uva ursi contains several chemicals with antiseptic properties. The herb is easily available at drugstores in supplement forms. When this supplement is taken, the antiseptic quality of this herb kills the bacteria and also gently stimulates urination. People with kidney or liver disease, pregnant or nursing women, and children should not take uva ursi. 9. Essential oils. Oregano essential oil has been found by researchers to excellently put a stop to the growth of E. coli. Some researchers believe that oregano oil may be better than the antibiotics used in treating UTI. Fill a gel capsule with the following oils, and take 1 capsule 3 times a day. 6 drops of oregano essential oil. 2 drops of frankincense essential oil. 10. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antibacterial properties to help fight the bacteria that cause bladder infections like UTIs. Mix 10 drops of tea tree oil in your bath water and use this water to wash the urethra opening. Alternatively, you can mix tea tree oil with equal amounts of juniper oil and sandalwood oil and rub this mixture on the abdominal region and on the area near the bladder. This is very effective in reducing pain associated with UTIs. Follow this remedy once daily for 3 to 4 days. Another simple way to treat UTI is to soak in warm bath water mixed with 2 teaspoons of plain yogurt and 6 drops of tea tree oil. Do this daily for 10 minutes for about 10 days. 11. Organic pineapple. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which has anti-inflammatory properties that may reduce UTI symptoms. Eating a cup of pineapple on a regular basis can help prevent UTIs. You can also make juice from half a pineapple and drink it. It is best to use fresh organic pineapple because the canned version may contain preservatives. 12. Baking soda. Baking soda will raise the acid-base balance of acidic urine and give you relief from the pain. Neutralizing the acidity in the urine also will help speed up recovery. Simply add half teaspoon of baking soda to a glass of water and drink it once or twice a day. Please do not overdo this as it may cause nausea and upset stomach. 13. D-mannose capsules. D-mannose is a type of sugar found in a number of fruits including cranberries and is available as a dietary supplement. It doesn't kill any bacteria, good or bad, it just helps to flush them out and keep them from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. Take the D-mannose capsules according to the package directions. 14. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a rich source of enzymes, potassium and other useful minerals that can prevent the bacteria that cause UTIs from multiplying or growing. Those suffering from UTIs can use apple cider vinegar as a natural antibiotic to treat the infection. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water. You can also add lemon juice and sweeten it with honey. Mix it well. Drink this 2 times a day for a few days. 15. Cranberry juice. Certain compounds like proanthocyanidins found in cranberries prevent bacteria from reaching the walls of the urethra and causing UTIs. Cranberry juice also has a very mild antibiotic effect. Drinking half a glass of cranberry juice daily is one of the easiest ways to prevent urinary tract infections. Those suffering from UTI should drink about 3 to 4 glasses of cranberry juice daily to prevent the infection from causing damage to the kidneys. You must drink unsweetened cranberry juice. You can mix it with apple juice to enhance the taste. Do not take cranberry juice if you have a history of kidney stones. 16. Indian gooseberry remedy. Indian gooseberry, also called amla, is rich in vitamin C, which in turn inhibits the growth of bacteria. How to use amla to treat UTI. Add 1 teaspoon of Indian gooseberry amla powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to a cup of water. Boil the solution until half the water evaporates. Drink the residue 3 times a day for 3 to 5 days. You can also eat more fruits like lemons, oranges, bananas, guava, kiwi, melon, raspberries, tomatoes, and papaya that contain a good amount of vitamin C. How to tackle UTI discomfort and pain. 1. Drink lots of water, and add 1 to 2 drops of lemon essential oil to each glass of water. 2. Rub oregano oil on the bottom of your feet. 3. For discomfort or pain, apply 1 drop of oregano and clove essential oils and rub it over the abdomen. Do you have UTI? What remedy are you currently using? Please drop your comments below. Don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button below for more research-based home remedies, natural health and motivational tips. Remember to click the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos. Follow us on Facebook at Natural Herb Cures and Twitter at Natural Herb Cure, and our official website at naturalhealingguides.com.